today's video, we're gonna show you how we transformed this 2012 Honda Civic. It came in very rough and it's leaving brand new. We're gonna show you exactly what we did to it. You don't wanna miss it. Let's start the video. All right guys, so when the client came in, he pretty much wanted to paint the car. I told him that we could actually save it. And let me show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna do a little insert of our Instagram story. If you're not following us on Instagram, check us out on Instagram. This is how we did our little test spot, and we were able to identify that we could actually save the paint, therefore saving our client a lot of money when it comes to repaint, losing value on the vehicle as well. So check it out. What's up guys? Just a quick little preview of a project that we just got in the shop. It's a Honda Civic, just a little test spot, just to see how much of an improvement we can make on the paint, and check it out. All right, so that's all coming up next week. I'm gonna do a video, YouTube, and all that stuff on this nice little project that we got in our shop. Stay tuned, you don't wanna miss it. But I'm very proud of my guys because they actually did all the heavy lifting for me. They transformed this car under my supervision. They were able to knock it out. They did a heavy cut compound, polishing, and then to seal the deal, we did ceramic coating. I'll hand it over to Alejandro so he can tell you exactly more in depth what we did to this vehicle.
What is going on guys, this is Alejandro back here at High End Detail, and today we have this 2012 Honda Civic that came in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. So as we can see, this car has been out in the sun and all the elements for over a decade now. So here on the paint on the hood, we could see that it's very faded. The clear coat is almost burnt. And then on the other side here, we could see how the paint has improved overall. So here I went ahead and used a white foam pad, a really aggressive pad, to get rid of that initial burning on the paint. And then I followed that up with the polish, and it really brings back the paint and overall the finish and quality of what this car used to have at one point. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to apply the ceramic coating, which pretty much seals all the work that we did with the correction. And yeah, we're pretty much gonna go ahead and do section by section. So I'm gonna split this bumper in half and apply the coating. We're gonna start off with the edges and work our way towards the inside. All right, so now that we waited a couple minutes for the coating to fully cure on the paint, we're going to do our 2 microfiber method. So we're gonna come in with 1 microfiber, remove all the excess. We're ensuring that we get no high spots, as the high spots will later cure and you will be able to see them on your paint. And then once you're done using your first microfiber, you're gonna go ahead and go to the second microfiber. And this microfiber will pretty much eliminate all the leftover residue from the coating. And once again, you have to be really cautious with any coating that's left on the paint, and you wanna remove everything that's left over.
Well, there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this transformation. Again, 2012, 10-year-old car, and it's looking very brand new. It's actually being handed off to his son. He wanted to give it to him in a better condition. So, you know, obviously the detail played a huge role in that, and very thankful to our customers for allowing us to do all our services to their vehicle. If you guys are in the Miami area, we are locally here in Miami. Don't forget to find us on Instagram. You can either visit our website or on Facebook. So there it is, guys. That about wraps it up. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.